Hey man. Yeah, no, I was just calling to see if maybe you'd give me some advice. I feel like Claudia is cheating on me. No, I don't have any evidence, but you know, when you get one of those gut feelings, man, you gotta trust it. Well, I should probably ask her. I mean, but who's gonna tell the truth? Right. Okay. Yeah, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Thanks. Oh, I hear, man. I'll call you later, okay? Alright. Bye.
Hey, what are you doing? Listen to me. Hey.
Who's that?
Oh, no one. They had the wrong number. Hey,
Okay.
do you want to watch a movie or something? Make some popcorn?
I guess so.
Okay, let's go.
Who's that?
Oh, it was the same wrong number, I guess.
Don't they get the message?
Yeah, seriously, right? Oh, no, it's okay.
Hello? They hung up.
Yeah, see, I told you.
3 missed calls, really?
Wrong number.
We need to talk.
Okay, about what?
Wait, where did you get that necklace? I've never seen you wear that before.
Oh, I got it earlier this week.
With what? From who? You don't have any money.
Oh, it's fake. It's not even, it was like $15 at the mall.
Yeah, you don't have any money, so who got that for you?
No one. I got it for myself, like I said. It's not a big deal.
I know someone got that necklace for you. Was it a guy? Tell me the truth.
No, why would I get me a necklace?
Okay, you think I haven't noticed this? You've been secretive with your phone, keeping it away from me, hiding it, getting calls from restricted.
Well, yeah. What do you think? I'm getting restricted calls. I bought my necklace. Not a big deal.
Okay, just admit it. I know there's someone else.
No, there's not. It's only been you.
Tell me! You can be honest with me. We've been together for 4 years.
There's no one.
Okay, so you're completely honest right now.
Okay, there's someone.
There is? Another guy. Are you serious?
Yeah.
After 4 years, you're willing to just throw it away. This means nothing. Nothing to you.
No, it doesn't.
I put my heart on the line for you. And this is how you repay me? I've done everything for you. I've given you everything. Don't touch me! You know what? Get the fuck out of my house. No! Get out of my house.
The sound of a broken heart.